Today's signs are all about family. So let's begin. Sign 1. Mummy. Mummy. So with your dominant hand, you're going to take your 3 fingers and you're going to tap them twice onto the palm of your other hand. Mummy. Mummy. Sign 2. Daddy or father. So with both of your hands, you're going to take your forefinger and your middle finger and put them close together. And then with your dominant hand, you're going to tap your other 2 fingers twice. Daddy or father. Daddy. Sign 3. Sister. Sister. So with your dominant hand, you're going to take your forefinger. All your other fingers are going to be clenched into a fist, and your forefinger you're going to make into a hook shape, and you're going to tap the end of your nose twice. Sister. Sister. Sign 4. Brother. Brother. So for brother, you're going to use both hands, put them into fists, and you're going to rub them alongside each other. Brother. Brother. Sign 5. Granddaddy or grandfather. So for grand, you're going to make the sign of the letter G, which is both hands into fists with your dominant hand on top of your other one. And then for daddy and father, you're going to do the normal daddy and father sign. So with your forefinger and your middle finger on both hands close together, tapping your dominant fingers on top of your non-dominant fingers for daddy. Put it all together and you have granddaddy or grandfather. Sign 6. Grandmother. Grandmother. So for grandmother, we're going to make the sign for the letter G by putting your dominant hand into a fist and your other hand into a fist, and your dominant hand is going to come on top of your non-dominant hand. That's for grand. And then mother, we're going to do the mother sign. So with your 3 fingers on your dominant hand, tapping the palm of your other hand twice for mother. Put it all together and you have grandmother. Grandmother. Sign 7. Uncle. Uncle. So for uncle, with your dominant hand, you're going to take your index finger and your middle finger, you're going to make them into hooks, and then you're going to tap your left side of your chin and then the right side of your chin. Uncle. Uncle. Sign 8. Auntie. Auntie. So for auntie, it's similar to uncle. You're going to take your index finger and your middle finger and make them into hooks, but this time we're going to tap the front of our chin twice. Auntie. Auntie. Sign 9. Cousin. Cousin. So for cousin, you're going to take your dominant hand, make it into a C shape, and then you're going to tap underneath your chin. Cousin. Cousin. Now you know how to sign family members. Can you tell me who is in your family?